So I bought these valve covers about, I don't know, 2-3 years ago. I haven't put them on yet, so I think it's about time. I had a problem with the cats. They've been going out too. I had the cats for a couple years. It's time to put those on now since I had a severe miss in it. I got a video coming out on that. You need to check it out. If it ain't already came out, I don't know. We'll see. So I'm gonna get to this. I'm gonna get started here. I'm gonna get started here by getting some of this stuff here out of the way. Unplugged. Just to clear it out of the way, you know. Here we go. Huh. I think I broke it. This wiring harness right here, you have you got the main connector here on your injector connector. So you want to disconnect that and try not to break it like I like to do. You know, injector connector. So lift up on that gently. Oh, we got it moving. There we go. There we go. There we are. So we got that unplugged, and that should do it. What you want to do now? Back here, get a little more light on it. So you get your PVC back here. So you want to unplug your PVC and get it out of the way. Those should be, what are they? Yeah. So then you got your 10 millimeters that are right there in the middle. Of course, you need a deep well, and I don't have it. Another one. Oh, it's right there. Right in front of my eyeballs. Wish I had a story to tell you, but I don't. I have no stories. Alright, pop ya. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, pop the coils off. Thing of it. You're connected. Your connector. Just pull it out of there like that. So here's your little McRib. Lay that there. Out of the way. Alright, I think those are 8s. Let's see. Those 8s. Those are 8s. Ooh, boy. They tight. Might need a breaker bar. Alright. Let's get them all broken loose. I'm standing on my tippy toes, by the way. So, here we go. 1. I think you just loosen them, don't you? You leave them in there. Yeah, I mean, they're not going to come out, are they? No. So 1, 2. Let's see. I'm going to take a look at you. I want to see if you're still there. All right. So again, we're having some pretty good weather here. It's a little cool out, but it's not. We're getting like cool. It was like it was 80 degrees a couple days, and now we had a couple freezes now, and today it's only going to be about 55 degrees. The last couple days it's been 55 or so, 50, 55. So it's been freezing in the morning. Man, my anxiety is killing me. I don't know if you guys suffer from anxiety, but I do. Makes me feel like I'm having a heart attack, but I'm not. Let's see. Oh yeah, she's a loose. She's a loose goose. All right, let's take a look at her. So it should just be able to pull it out. Let's take a look at this. Can you see? This is what I. Can you see this? New style, square hole, rectangle, whatever. Yep, I got the Velcro. Should be using the factory OEM, but I'm not. It's just the way it goes.
And you've gotten curious, so let your feelings out, stop playing dumb. Cause you know I am the fire, I got a feeling, oh. Don't you wanna come a little closer?
Put your new gasket on. O-ring, whatever it's called. Lay it in there. Put it where it goes. Oh, back in it. Move it that much. Cool, pack back on it. Microphone on my eyes. I'll wear the Loctite. Steel aluminum, it'll seize up. Good enough. Maybe I should use it. Not going to. That's that. Don't forget to hook your back end of my hose back up. For now, you can then plug your cold pack back up. Cold pack back up. Assembly. Put your little safety back in it. Just like that. Should be good there. So this is how the other side looks after I got it all back together. I mean, there ain't nothing to look at here, but I got her all done. I put a piece of loom on this here, but it kept. This is so brittle over here that it keeps breaking. I should have put it all the way. I should have put it all the way to the back. I made sure that this wasn't clogged and it wasn't cracked or broke. I did find out on the other side. Let's go over there. I did find out that over here, that back there where my right here, that's my where it plugs into the valve cover. That boot where it would be the PCV valve on the older one would be where it plugs into the valve cover. That boot was ripped, tore, cracked. So I had a vacuum leak there. So I replaced that boot and I made sure that that this piece of tubing here wasn't clogged and gummed up with stuff. Because you saw that on this side head was all gumped up. Here in a minute we'll take a look at it and see how she runs. Well, we're running. Sounds pretty good, actually. She's a running. Don't sound bad. Just started up. It's a cold start. Hadn't started up for 2 days now. Sounding damn good. Usually it sounds like a diesel. what we got going on. Go to the other side, see what we got. Got some tappy over here. That reminds me. Well, I guess this is the end of the video. Till next time, thanks for coming along with me on this valve cover gasket replacement and valve cover replacement. And I want to thank you, and subscribe, ring that bell. Don't leave me hanging here. I need you. You got to build my channel for me, man. I do. I need you. I'm going nowhere without you. I enjoy this. I enjoy you. I'm getting better. I'm feeling better. You make me feel better. I'm loving it. Thank you. Until next time. Bye.